Well, welcome to old Chainsawbobs eye test today. Now we're doing an eye test, so you look very closely at picture number 1. Now, is picture number 2 better than picture number 1? Now let's go to picture number 2. And let's see if picture 2 or picture 3 is better. Picture 3 is better. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Is this one better right here? Or is this one better? You have to pick one or the other. This is an eye test. Picture 1 or picture 2. Are you sure? Okay. Alright, we're going to the next one. Picture 1 or picture 2. Which one is the better? Are you sure? Okay, it's that one. Okay. Let's try another. Picture number 1. Picture number 2. Number 1, you say? Okay. Alright. Okay. Picture number 1. Or picture number 2. Number 1 again. Boy. Now let's try with the other eye. Okay. Picture number 1. Or picture number 2. Number 2, okay. Okay, so now stay with this eye. Now, picture number 1. Or picture number 2. Alright, number 2. Okay, let's try again. Picture number 1. You notice this is partial color, partial black and white. And picture number 2. Number 2 this time. Okay, alright. Let's go again. Picture number 1. Picture number 2. Number 1. Okay. Alright. Now let's try picture number 1. Or picture number 2. You sure? Okay. Alright. Let's go again now. Now picture number 1. Or picture number 2. Yeah, I know. Number 2. Okay. Alright. Now picture number 1. Picture number 2. That's interesting. Okay, picture number 1. Picture number 2. Okay, let's try it now just with the other eye. The other left eye. Picture number 1. Or picture number 2. Now let's go to the right eye. Picture number 1. Okay, there we go. Or picture number 2. Now let's go back to the left eye. Picture number 1. Or picture number 2. Well, you know what? While he's doing all this, I forgot to write that down. We're going to have to do this all over again. Yep, sorry about that. Glad you got along. Check out Chainsawbobs Little Funnies. See you later. Thanks.